Looking for the best fence paints to protect and beautify your outdoor space? In this video, we'll explore top quality options that offer durability, vibrant colors, and easy application to keep your fence looking great for years. Stay tuned to find the perfect paint for your project. Number 1. Ready Seal 512 Fence Paint. Ready Seal's oil-based stain gives your wooden fence the finish it deserves. It combines a tinted stain with a wood sealer so you can add color and protection with one product. The stain is transparent, so it allows the wood grain and character to show through for a natural look. You can use it on unfinished surfaces as a first coat, or use it on previously stained surfaces for a refresh. This 5-gallon pail offers professional-grade results without the hassle of complicated application steps. Designed for exterior wood surfaces like fences, decks, and siding, Ready Seal enhances the natural beauty of wood while providing excellent protection from harsh weather and UV damage. What sets this product apart is its no primer, no backbrushing formula. It goes on smooth with a sprayer, roller, or brush, and blends beautifully without leaving streaks or runs. The natural cedar finish gives wood a warm, rich look that ages gracefully over time. Plus, there's no need for thinning or diluting. It's ready to use straight from the can. Number 2. Rust-Oleum Fence Paint. Rust-Oleum has long been known for making high-quality paints that protect metal from the elements, and this product lives up to the company's reputation. This commercial formula stands out because it dries to the touch in just 15 minutes and is ready for a second coat in an hour, making your project speedy. Plus, spray paint spares you the misery of cleaning brushes. Ideal for use on ferrous, non-ferrous metal, wood, concrete, masonry, and other such surfaces to provide rust protection and a tough, attractive finish that withstands weathering. The high-output spray tip on the can is multi-angle, so you can spray the paint from almost any angle, even while holding the can upside down. Each can covers up to 14 square feet, and there are 6 cans in this pack. The oil-based formula comes in 19 colors and can be used on ferrous and non-ferrous metal, wood, concrete, and masonry. Number 3. Magic Paint's Fence Paint. If a white picket fence isn't your cup of color, Magic Paints has you covered. Magic offers a long-lasting satin finish paint in 12 bold colors like Golden Dandelion, Midnight Wave, and Sangria Red. This water-based paint resists scratches and the elements and can be used on most surfaces, including wood, metal, brick, drywall, glass, steel, tile, vinyl, aluminum, and most plastics, copper, and masonry. A complete one-step process which does not require sanding or priming before application, making it the perfect product for all you crafty DIYers out there who want to add a little more color in your lives. Live colorfully and free. Cool fact: diamond hard repurpose enamel was even used to paint the Big Bat project at the Louisville Slugger Museum in Louisville, Kentucky. The price is also right, especially for a paint that holds up to the elements so well. It also sticks to any surface without sanding or priming first. Number 4. The One Paint Fence Paint. Time-saving products that don't sacrifice quality are always a boon, and the One Paint is just that. It mixes a paint and a primer into one labor and cost-saving bucket. This quick-drying, high-quality paint is designed for use on a range of surface types, so you can use it on wood, metal, plastic, UPVC, brick, masonry, stone, glass, and more. A strong, durable 2-in-1 means less work, save time and money, thanks to the paint's thick, luxurious formula. For furniture, wood and laminate cabinets, crown molding and trim, wood, metal, plastic, brick, stone, concrete, and more. Thick and opaque, one coat gives a fence or a wall enough coverage to protect it from the elements and look good. It's a water-based acrylic, so cleanup is easy, and it has a low VOC formula that's safe for the environment and your health. It comes in satin, matte, and gloss finishes and a range of neutral colors. Number 5. Montage Signature Fence Paint. Montage Signature paints are kind to your respiratory system as well as the planet. Not only are they low VOC, but they're also made from recycled paint. With this product, you won't be breathing harmful paint fumes and you're keeping old paint from ending up in a landfill. A great choice for interior walls in your main living areas such as bedrooms, lounge, and dining rooms. Low sheen paint has a slight sheen over that of a true flat finish, but it still hides any drywall imperfections and provides a very uniform finish capable of touching up. Montage Signature's water-based formula features an improved sealing technology that protects your fence or wall from mold, mildew, and the elements. It can be used on metal, wood, or stucco, and comes in 24 classic colors and 2 finishes, low sheen and semi-gloss. It's labeled for interior as well as exterior use.